Bismillah. Hey everyone, today we'll learn English through conversation. This is a conversation between a doctor and patient. Okay, let's start. Patient. Hello, I'm here for my appointment with Dr. Smith. Receptionist. Hi, welcome to the hospital. Please have a seat and the doctor will be with you shortly. Patient. Thank you. I have been having some chest pain and shortness of breath. Dr. Smith. Hello, I am Dr. Smith. Nice to meet you. Can you tell me more about your symptoms and when they started? Patient. Sure. I have been having some chest pain and shortness of breath for the past week. It's been getting worse and more frequent. Dr. Smith. Alright, I'd like to do an examination and run some tests to get a better understanding of what's going on. We'll also need to monitor your vital signs and keep you under observation for a while. Patient. Okay, what do you think might be causing these symptoms? Dr. Smith. It's difficult to say at this point. It could be something minor like indigestion or something more serious like a heart condition. We'll need to run some tests to determine the cause. In the meanwhile, try to stay calm and relax. We'll do everything we can to get you feeling better. Patient. Okay, thank you. Dr. Smith. You are welcome. I'll arrange for the test and have a nurse come in to take your vital signs. We'll talk more after the results come back. Okay? That's the end of the conversation. I hope guys you all like this conversation. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.